That great? Okay. So we out here checking out Mitsubishi's Outlander. This is another one of my wife's cars that she liked. So we're gonna check it out and see what it looked like. Me personally, I'm not a fan of Mitsubishi, so this is all her. Which one is it? So I'm gonna show you their little. This is the Outlander SE. I mean, I don't know, like I said, to me they ain't all that, but I'll check it out. Which one is it?
The one I just drove is the one up here, the SEL.
That one? SEL?
Yes, it's the SEL
Okay.
all-wheel drive. All the ones on the bottom are SE. Over there.
So we're gonna, she's looking at the SEL, so we're gonna check this out and give y'all a proper view of it. To me, just like the front of it don't impress me, but it's not my car to drive. It'll be hers if she gets one. So check this out. That's a limited one or something?
No, I think that's all the same.
Them headlights. I don't like the way the headlights look, but you know, like I said, it's yeah, this is the SEL.
Yeah, that's the one I drove was the all-wheel drive.
Oh.
But they might have sold it too, because I think they sold those pretty quickly, because that whole road was full. So.
I mean, tell me what y'all think, what y'all like about the car. I mean, like I said, for me, it's not all that, but I mean, it does have its, on the side, it does look pretty decent. I like the way, it looks like the RAV4 on the side, from the side view. But, you know, in the comments, let me know what y'all think. Give me y'all point of view of this. I mean, like I said before, man, you know, this is something that she likes, and if she like it, if she want it, I get it for her. But still need y'all comments to let me know what y'all think of it. She test drove it already. Oh no. Like I said, I'm not a big fan of Mitsubishi, so I don't know, maybe it's the chrome that's there and everything. Maybe I just like the deleted chrome edition with black rims. I don't know, man. No. That right there just doesn't. What's up?
Yeah, I left a guy a message that I talked to, but I don't know if he's here yet to respond.
So I don't know. Man, we'll look around, just trying to wait and see if she can locate this guy, the salesman that she dealt with before, but I don't know. to the big hoopla. Color didn't really stand out. So we can see it on the inside. I mean, we'll know. Car's locked, of course. I mean, these twisted rims ain't bad. And this is a white one, white cream. Still trying to. This is the SE edition. I don't see anything special. Like I said, man, for me, they don't stand out. You know, Mitsubishis don't stand out. I mean, they starting to change the body style of them. But I don't know, man. I don't know. This is just. I don't know. Y'all leave y'all comments. And let me know what y'all think. They got different colors, man, but it's like black, gray, white. And I think that's like a. What type of color that is?
It's a pearl white.
Okay.
I like that color.
Pearl white. But you like this?
I don't think it looks bad. You say you don't like it?
Hey, listen, it's not for me to drive.
Oh, I was just asking.
Yeah. I mean, like I say, the front of it doesn't do anything for me. The side of it looks more like a RAV4. Yeah, it does. Look like a. No, take that back. I take that back. Like an Explorer. It does. That's the car I'm talking about. The side view looks more like a Explorer. Yeah. Like I said, y'all leave a comment. Just let me know what y'all think about it. For me, that's an Explorer. I said RAV4 before, but I think, yeah, I was misquoted. That's an Explorer. So, yeah, we over here at Mitsubishi, man. Checking out their stuff, checking out this new one. This front just don't do it for me, man. Look like bug eyes. Like those flies that have all those eyes on there. That's what it looks like. That's just my opinion. You know, ain't nobody else's opinion. You know, if you have have your opinion about it, just leave it down in the comment section, man. Hell no. We gonna figure out which one she wants. And we'll go for that.
Lower.
Yeah, there's the SEs over there. This is the SEL. Yeah, all those over there, the SEs. The one in the back there.
But the color I like is that white.
That pearl white right there. This one right here. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. All of them, except for that black one back there. So, you still ain't got a hold of that guy yet?
No.
Yeah.
Maybe it's not here.
Probably his day off, took the weekend. So, we'll just move on.
Inside, but the one I drove yesterday was an all-wheel drive too.
Oh, okay.
That has like different modes for like winding roads, gravel, snow.
Okay, so the all-wheel drive was the one that you was looking at. All right. We'll continue to look on and get back with you. But like I said, y'all just leave a comment in the section about the cars. I say between the Volkswagen and this one, I would pick the Volkswagen. But that's just me, my preference. All right, get back with y'all later. So this is the SE. This is the SE, right? It's the SEL. Check this out. Let's go inside the door here. It's not bad. It's got a nice the interior stitching.
Jack. Aquí, to the showroom, aquí.
Yeah. I mean, it's not bad. It's not bad. But it's, like I said, it's more for her than anything. Just checking out. How you doing? You don't mind if I video you?
No, you're fine, man.
You don't mind being on video?
No problem.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I just want to check this out. She drove the test drove the all-wheel drive.
That one,
Yeah.
yes, all-wheel drive. Yeah.
Yeah. This is a. Is this kind of small for a three-seater? I mean, three-row?
Yeah, the third row seat is kind of small. It's not
Okay.
But I
the
don't need a
biggest.
third row, really.
And
Right.
If you don't use them, then these folds down.
Yeah.
I mean, I know I see it folds down, but I'm just saying it looks kind of small back there for. That would be.
So the thing about the middle seat, you can adjust it to go back and forth.
Mm-hmm.
You can recline, so you can make the room if you really need to
Okay.
use the third row seat.
Okay.
Yeah, I just wanted to show him real quick, you know.
Yeah.
So I got a question. Y'all don't do like lease programs for y'all vehicles?
They do. It really depends on credit and how many months and mileage. So we can always look at it.
Okay. Yeah, 'cause she's looking at trying to do a lease and then trade in her car for that.
We could do it either or, lease or buy, or the purchase.
But that'll be up to her. So
Yeah,
I'm just
for lease.
I just signed.
We always switch it out.
Yeah,
So your current vehicle is still is it a lease or?
it's still old somewhere.
Yeah, we'll upgrade that.
I like the stitching on here. It's not bad.
I don't know if you told them about that or.
Diamond stitching. It reminds me of the Urus stitching on it.
I don't have any, but I know you have some. Like you remember yesterday you saw the blood.
Dolores, to the showroom, Dolores.
Yeah, there's a lot of technology up in here. But like I said, this wouldn't be for me, it'd be for my wife. So yeah, just checking out everything, man. Giving y'all that point of view. So y'all just leave me a comment in the comment section. Yeah. So. I mean, the inside of it looks nice. I mean, don't get me wrong. I have an issue with that.
You can switch it out.
Space will be for her.
Okay. Yeah, I just wanted to show him.
Yeah, definitely. A lot of technology on that vehicle. You'll love the stuff it has.
Okay. So what all's involved in the technology on it?
So you have now we have Mitsubishi Connect. This is something new to the Mitsubishi. You have an app to turn on, off the vehicle, adjust temperature, locate it in case it's stolen, wireless charge. You have 360 camera, front sensors, back sensors, and to a complete stop in case you have you get
Okay.
those. Even in a parking lot, I mean it works.
Oh.
Forward collision, drive assistant. Drive prevention, so lane prevention in case you're out of the lane. You have a lot of options.
Okay. So what's your name?
My name is Hakim.
You tell me where we can come see you at?
Yes, sir. You can come and see me, and I know she's looking for a specific package.
Right.
You just have to find it. I know it's short inventory for now, but we're getting them little by little.
So where y'all located at?
9800 San Pedro.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right.
No problem.
That's it.
You got it. You got it.
Okay, so yeah. Like we're using options on leases, you know,
Okay.
so I can get an idea.
Sounds good. And I'll look up
We'll work
what
that.
the Mitsubishi website
See if we can
has, 'cause they'll give
make
you
this
an
happen.
average of what you have, like how many months, how much down payment.
Okay.
So I'll keep you updated, and as soon as I get, I might find out what we're getting, like in a couple of weeks, so I can update you on that as well.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Sounds
All
good.
right.
All right.
Thank you.
Appreciate
No
you.
problem.
Thank you
so much.
again.
Yeah, appreciate it.
All right.
Take care. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.
All right, so we did that. We talked to him about it.